Hey guys, here at Shasta Trinity National Forest. The Trinity Alps are behind me, and then we're actually taking this side trail, doing a little exploring. Never been up here, but back home here on the PCT. Don't know how many miles, maybe like mile and a half to the PCT. We'll be on that for a little bit, and then we're trying to explore this waterfall. Is pretty nice that I've never been on, so we'll see how the day goes. So after just walking a little bit, like 0.1, now we're in Castle Crags Wilderness. So I guess we'll be in between both Shasta, Trinity, and Castle Crags. So far it's been like straight up basically. So that's good. It's good training for when my wife and I do the AT at the end of the month. All right, going straight up. Let's get it. After 0.8 or almost a mile straight up, leveled off, and we're on the PCT. This is the PCT right now. Cool to be back here. All right. Keep going. There's Heather. This is one of the waterfalls, but we're going up that way. The bigger one. I'm out of breath after a sketchy rock scramble. I'm now at the top of the waterfall that I just showed from down there. Finally made it to, it's like the third or fourth waterfall, but this is the last one. And yeah, that's at least 100 feet up. Really beautiful. Never seen this before anywhere. Nice. And it's just off the PCT, about a mile maybe off the PCT, right after, like right in the Castle Crags section. Now we have like a 3-mile hike back. Coming down those waterfalls is really sketchy. This little hike showed me how out of shape I was, so that was humbling. We also have a really cool view of, let me show you, turn this around. And the PCT actually goes up that way. That's up in the Trinity Alps on the PCT section. There's still lots of snow up there. That's pretty cool. But it's like mid-70s up here. So that's nice. All right, heading back. Here are the Castle Crags. There's a trail you can go up there. I've done it before. It's super steep, and I think I'll do it before I go hike the AT, but I'll take you guys along with me. All right, couple more miles left to the car. Pacific Crest Trail. Not bad. Almost back to the car. Going down. About 0.8 left. There's Heather. Here at the world famous Yaks. Well deserved. Let's get it. Just got home. For those who know, you know. And sometimes you just gotta treat yourself. Bath time.